758. Is Rais Jerusalem. Student ID 2024442188.
Hi, my name is ANNUITY Arizonka and my student ID is 2024696222. So what is compound interest? Compound interest can be thought as interest on interest and will make the sum grow at a faster rate than simple interest, which is calculated based on both initial principal and accumulated interest from the previous period. In compound interest, you need to understand what is I, P, K, and T. I is the interest, P is the face value, K is the interest rate, M is the frequency of completion, T is the interest period. We have two formulas that we will use in compound interest. The first one is S equal to P in bracket of 1 plus K over M powered by MT. And the other one is I equal to S minus P. So now let's jump into the question. Emily has been assigned to set up a business and need to borrow a 15,000 loan for 3 years. She has been surveyed to bank for the loan. Calculate the total interest charged but for each bank. In the question, we understand that the 15,000 is our P and the 3 years is our T. We have two banks, Kasih Bank and Sayang Bank. Kasih Bank offer 4.45% compounded every 4 months. We can see that the K is 0.0454, and when they say compounded every 4 months, in a year we have 12 months. We need to divide it by 4 and we got the 3. The 3 means we need to pay 3 times in a year. So the 3 is our M. And the other bank, which is Sayang Bank, they offer 4.74% compounded quarterly. We can see that the K is 0.0474, and when they say quarterly, means in a year we need to pay 4 times a year. So the 4 is our M. Let's start with Kasih Bank. First, we use the S formula. We key in the data in the calculator, and we will get the answer is RM17171.14. Second, we calculated the I by the answer that we got for S minus by 15,000, and the I we will get RM2171.14. Now for Sayang Bank, by using the same formula as we did in Kasih Bank, and we will get the S for Sayang Bank is RM17282.78, and the I is RM2282.78. Next question. Based on the answer in A, which bank should she choose to borrow the loan from? Give a reason. By calculation that we have made, we can see that Sayang Bank charge higher interest charge than Kasih Bank. So Emily should choose Kasih Bank.
Question 2. After 1 year and 8 months, the AQU Bank changed the interest rate of 15000 ringgit loan from 4.54% compounded every 4 months to 5% compounded monthly. How much is the amount paid at the end of 3 years? Calculate the total interest. Before answering the question, we need to find the P, K, M, and T that are given in the question. For this question, we will use 4.54% compounded every 4 months, so the P is 15000, K is 0.0454, M is 3, and T is 5/3. Firstly, we need to find S. Use formula S equal to P open bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket our MT. Put the P, K, M, and T in the formula and calculate. S equal to 15000 open bracket 1 plus 0.0454 over 3 close bracket power 3 open bracket 5/3 close bracket. So we will get 16169.88 ringgit SDS. Now we can find amount paid at the end of 3 years. In this question, we use 5% compounded monthly, so the K becomes 0.05, M is 12, T is 4/3, and P is 16169.88. This is because the previous S become a new P. Using the formula, S equal to 16169.88 open bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 1 2 close bracket power 1 2 open bracket 4 over 3 close bracket. We will get S equal to 17282.22 as the final answer for amount paid at the end of 3 years. Now let's find the total interest. For the total interest, we can use formula I equal to S minus B. After calculating, I equal to 17282.22 minus 15000. The answer for total interest will be 2282.22 ringgit. Chapter 4 Annuity. Annuity is a series of equal payment made at equal interval of time. Annuity enable people to plan for future investment, saving and retirement. Part B, question 1. Jasmine's grandparents set aside 8,000 ringgit for her college fund when she was born. The money will be invested for the next 18 years until Jasmine starts college. The fund will be withdrawn in equal semi-annual withdrawal over the 4 years that Jasmine anticipates finishing college. The college investment fund pays 5.5% interest compounded semi-annually. How much money can Jasmine withdraw from the account every 6 months while she is in college? To answer the question, we have to find the P, K, M, T, and S first. For this question, the P is 8,000, K is 0.055, M is 2, and T is 18. Now we have to find the amount at the end of 18 years. Use compounded interest formula. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket power MT. So S equal to 8,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 2 close bracket power 2 open bracket 18 close bracket. So we will got S equal to 21243.98 SES. Next, for this question, we will use annuity formula to find R. S equal to R open bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket power MT minus 1 over K over M close bracket. The S for this question is 21243.98, K is 0.055, M is 2, and T is 4. So after calculate, 21243.98 equal to R open bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 2 bracket power 2 open bracket 4 close bracket minus 1 over 0.055 over 2 close bracket. We will got R equal to 2410.30 ringgit as the money that Jasmine can withdraw from the account every 6 months while she is in college.
ANNUITY. Let's go.
Part B, question 2. After Sasha graduates from college and starts a job, she plans to buy a condominium that costs 480,000 ringgit. She then made a 15% down payment and financed the balance through a bank for 30 years with an interest rate of 3.8% compound monthly. The question A, calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. So we get the keyword, which means C 480,000 ringgit, K 0.038, T is 30, M is compound monthly, which means is 12. So we use the formula GP equal 50% C. So 0.15 times 480,000 ringgit, we get 72,000. After that, we use formula A equal to C minus GP, 480,000 ringgit minus 72,000, and we get the answer. And then we use formula A equal to R 1 minus R plus K over M minus MT over K per M. Then we get monthly payment, which means X is 1,901 ringgit 11 cents. So the question B, if she missed her first 6 monthly payment, how much should she pay on her 7 payments to settle all outstanding arrears? So we need to use formula future value because we want to know what the price in the future that she need to pay. So we insert in calculator and we get 13434.86. Last but not least, C. Immediately after paying for 10 years, Sasha want to settle the loan in full. How much is the amount that she need to be paid? So the mention of the question A, Sasha need to pay for 30 years, but now she was paid for 10 years, so she need to pay another 20 years. And then 30 minus 10 equal 20. So 20 times 12, we get 240 times. So we need to use formula A. A equal R, 1 minus 1 plus K over M, negative MT, and K over M, which means A is a present value. So we insert the number 1,901 ringgit 11 cents, and after that 1 minus 1 plus 0.038 over 12 power negative 40, 240, and 0.038 over 12. So the final answer we get is RM 319,249.40 cents. The final answer we get is 319,249 ringgit and 40 cents.
Okay, thanks for watching. That's all from us.
Bye.